Myself, Ashish Rao, I am Science Faculty of DAV Public School, Manipur. As you know, children, Corona badly affect our lifestyle. My Honorable Principal, Mr. A.K.L, have decided and advised me to make some video for you. And you well aware that we are doing online classes for DAV students. That's why I started this video. I'm first time making this video, children. And today my topic is light process for class 10 student. And children, we very well know what is light process. It is a maintenance process. It is a repair process. It is essential for the survival of life on earth. As you know, children, living beings are self-regulated discrete entities. Molecular movement are the basic movement in all the living beings. They are essential for the survival of life on the earth. We know that there are some living and there are some non-living. Living being required some molecular movement, and the smallest unit of a living being is cell. Children, you very well know cell is the structural and functional unit of living being. And each cell having cell membrane, which certain molecule, ion, are always go across the membrane. It is essential for our living being. And life process is the growth, repair and maintenance process of the cell. There are so many examples, children, like nutrition, respiration, reproduction, control and coordination. These are some common examples of life process. Now the second question arises, children, what is the importance of this life process? There are three important purposes which make it very essential for living being. Number one, every living being requires supply of nutrient and energy inside the cell. These nutrients and energy require the movement of the molecule. Secondly, every living being releases some nitrogenous waste as excretion. So these toxic material must be removed from the body. And we apply excretion for this purpose. Third is the repair and maintenance process of the cell. These three important processes essential for all the living beings on earth. That's why the life process has so many importance. Now, first of all, I would like to explain some important things, children, about the nutrition. What is nutrient? All the chemicals which are present in the food, like protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamin and minerals, are essential for our energy. So the chemical present in the food which give us energy is called nutrient. And what is nutrition? The mode of taking food by an organism is called nutrition. As for nutrition is classified on the basis of taking of food by organism, it may be autotroph or heterotroph. There are two modes of nutrition present in all the living beings. The autotroph and heterotroph. Autotroph means A-U-T-O, auto. Auto means self. And troph means synthesis, formation and nutrition. So the organism who can produce their own food is called autotroph. And the organism who cannot produce their own food are said to be heterotroph. Hetero, H-E-T-E-R-O. Hetero means different. And trophic means nutrition. So if an organism cannot produce their own food are said to be heterotroph. Generally all the green plants are autotroph. We are heterotroph because we cannot produce our own food. Autotrophy further classified into two types, photosynthetic and chemosynthetic. Photosynthetic mode of nutrition commonly seen in green plant Whereas chemosynthetic are some specialized bacteria like iron and sulfur bacteria who get ability to produce their own food. Secondly, children, the heterotroph further classified into the saprophyte, parasite and holozoic nutrition. Now the question arises how we can distinguish all the three types of saprophyte, parasite and holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition is very common in fungi. The organic who derive their food from dead and decaying substance are said to be saprophyte. All the fungi, agaricus, mushroom, breadroot, are saprophytic. Secondly is the parasitic mode of nutrition. It is commonly occur in our intestine. Our intestine is a host, it is a living host which gives the food to the round bone. These round bones are found in the human intestine and absorb glucose from the intestine. So it is a host-parasite relationship. Host provide the food to the parasite, whereas the parasites are dependent on host. So this host-parasitic relationship is said to be parasitic. Third is the holozoic mode of nutrition. It is most common in human beings as well as amoeba, which is a protozoa. When there is a complete engulfing of food occurs, it is said to be holozoic mode of nutrition. It is always completed by the 5 stages. Number 1, ingestion. Number 2, digestion. Number 3 is the absorption. Number 4 is the assimilation. And 5th is the egestion. If an organism passes through these 5 channels, it is said to be a holozoic nutrition. And it is most common in human beings. Ingestion means intake of food. Whichever the food we are taking inside the mouth is ingestion. Secondly is the digestion. Digestion is an enzymatic hydrolysis of a largest food molecule into a smaller food molecule for further in a soluble form. So, third is the absorption, which is occur in a small intestine, while some specialized structure is a villi. And fourth is the assimilation. Assimilation means the distribution of food from intestine to different cells. And last is the egestion. Egestion means all the excretory waste which are left in our intestine expelled out. So if an organism completed this 5 stages, it is said to be holozoic nutrition. Thank you, children. धन्यवाद.
Comment in comment box.
So this हम बाकी है मैं.
ना ना बोला मैं